Hi friends, in my last video I explained you I'm starting a course called DevOps. In that tool I'm including in DevOps I'm including multiple tools like Chef, Jenkins, AWS, and then Negios and sort of thing. So today I'm starting about the cloud. So this course will be this video series will be for AWS cloud. So I'm explaining you today the cloud. So in your screen you can see the picture. You can see your computer somewhere else, and you are accessing in your local. Local means wherever you are accessing it from. So in simple word, it's a computer in somewhere, and you are somewhere. Okay, and your computer is somewhere else, and you are somewhere else, and you are accessing it through internet, and you are accessing it for like storage or computing. Let's say your computer is in cloud. You want to save your file or folders in cloud, like in I'm talking about example in iCloud. You are saving your file in your mobile, but it's saving to the cloud. So there will be one copy of your video, audio, or file in cloud, and in the same time it's also in your mobile. So you are saving your file in cloud. So cloud is it means like some computer resources or computer or storage or server are in remote location somewhere else, not in your current location. So in simple word, you are using your computer from some other location, and your server is in some other location. And so in reality it's not a computer, it's a data center, a complete data center, where lots of lakhs of servers are there in the data center. So you are accessing just a bit of that. So the file that you are saving on your iCloud, it's not going to any mystery, it's going to cloud. That means some other location where lots of computer, number of servers are attached, like data center. You can see the picture. You are saving your files or videos or data, whatever it is, in your cloud. So it's in your remote location, in your home computer, in your mobile. So in cloud it's basically it's a kind of backup and sharing means you are sharing this with multiple devices like computer, mobile, and also it's keep a backup. There's one copy of your data in your mobile or laptop or computer, but it's same time it's also a backup copy in the cloud. So that's how cloud is working. So cloud have a two functionality called high availability and fault tolerance. High availability means you are accessing your server. You are accessing your files and folders or data. Let's say there's one copy that is in your mobile, it got deleted, but still your data will be in cloud on some computer or work computer or laptop, anywhere wherever you save your data. So there will be high availability. One goes down, there will be other copy of the data. And the second is fault tolerance. Fault tolerance means, let's say in your cloud your copy of one data got corrupted. Let's say you are saving your some file in the storage, and that storage got corrupted. But in the cloud itself, you can retrieve your data from in cloud. They're saving the file in multiple spaces. So you can get your data. So these two uh, functionality, that is high availability and the fault tolerance, this is the base of the cloud. So let's talk about AWS. So AWS basically is infrastructure as a service. In short term it's called LaaS. So in AWS, it's providing multiple services like storage, computing power, databases, networking, analytics, developer tools, virtualization, and security. These are the few services that AWS providing. So in the later videos, we will discuss in each in detail. So I'm just giving the overview. This is the AWS picture. So these are the services. So I mean, these are the services provided by AWS. So how you will compare your AWS with the traditional enterprise kind of architecture? So let's say it's a data center. So let's say in 2016 you had 100 servers and the number of user was 1000. So that 100 server can easily serve the 1000 users. But in 2017 your number of users increases, so it's now 2000 and you have to increase your server also. So now it's let's say you are using 200 server for 2000 users. But for capacity planning in 2017 itself, you thought in 2018 there will be a number of user will be 5000. So for that, let's say you purchase 500 300 more servers and 200 existing servers. So you can think that the 500 server can manage the load of 5000 users. But what if in 2018 there is no 5000 users, it's 3000 users? So the hardware that you purchase, 200 hardwares, 200 servers, that will be unusable, and you paid for that the huge amount. Same scenario, let's do it in AWS. In AWS it's called pay whatever you use. Let's say you need 5 servers, so you just launch 5 servers. The 5 servers can say manage your load of 50 users. Tomorrow, let's say your number of users increases to 500 or 1000, then you need 100 servers. So in AWS you can launch servers in very quickly. It's a matter of minutes. So no need to purchase. It's a pay whatever you use. So let's say you have a 10,000 user now. You can have 1,000 servers to serve that custom or users. That's how this is called elasticity, and this is not in traditional data center kind of architecture.